Hello, everybody. Welcome to the IVC to 30 to CPA. So we are officially launching this program here at Irvine Valley College. If you are a student at Irvine Valley College, we would love to have you be a part of this group. So my disclaimer and copyright notice, the information and opinions in this presentation are those of myself and not my employers or affiliated organizations, including but not limited to Irvine Valley College and the South Orange County Community College District. The presentation is for educational purposes only and does not constitute any legal or accounting advice whatsoever. Let's talk about it. Why IVC 30 to CPA? Back in 2016, we added 2 intermediate accounting courses, 1 and 2. We added auditing, and then we also added accounting ethics. And that complements with our tax courses, Sarbanes-Oxley, cost accounting, to give us a pretty robust offering of courses to basically go through and help you become a CPA. So over here, if we look at the Board of Accountancy requirements, we're really trying to basically help you get prepared not only to meet the requirements, but also to give you a great education so you can do amazing in the workplace and also do great in the workplace and pass that exam. So we need to go through and do. So to meet the requirements, what does this 30 to CPA mean? It's really the bachelor's degree is 120 units, and you need another 30 semester units to make the 150, and there you go, right? So we are Irvine Valley College is one of the top ranked community colleges in California. We are I think we always say we're number 1, but I never like saying that. I just know we're really good and our students are awesome. So there you go. We're never going to be perfect, but we are absolutely going to try to do our very, very best to give you the very best and most practical accounting education possible. And, you know, given the response we've had from employers, they like our students. And so we're very, very fortunate to be growing this program here in Orange County. And again, we're very fortunate to have our students. It's because of you who come to Irvine Valley, take these classes, go on to pass the CPA exam, start your careers. It's what makes our program awesome. Now, how do I join IVC 30 to CPA? You have to be a student at Irvine Valley College. So for all of you on my YouTube channel who are out there, you can become an IVC student. If you're in the state of California, it's going to be pretty easy to do. If you're outside of the state of California, it might be a little bit expensive, but you have to be a student at IVC. And the reason is because in order for you to be a part of this group, which is really reflected over here as a Canvas module, I need to have you be a student at IVC. If you're in our district at Saddleback, I might be able to add you, but I'm not sure for certain. Okay. So you got to be a student at IVC. And then basically, if you are enrolled and you want to be a part of the group, just go ahead and email me at ivc30tocpa@gmail.com. You'll have to give me your IVC email address, and then I can add you to Canvas. There is no cost for this if you are an IVC student. Now, what are the benefits of doing the group? Now, whether you're in this group or not, if you're just somewhere in the country and you want to become a California CPA, not South Carolina, not Tennessee, not Texas, but if you want to become a California CPA and you download the spreadsheet, which I'm more than happy to send you the link to, what you can effectively go through and do is you would download this, you would list out every single class you've ever taken, and I will go through and put it through my sorting hat and say Hufflepuff, Gryffindor, Slytherin, or Ravenclaw. No, I'm going to basically tell you this is the number of students, this is the number of, or this is how the classes align with the California Board of Accountancy tip sheet. So if you need help with that, I'm here to help you. Again, for the California Board of Accountancy requirements, I've done this for a lot of students. I can generally do it pretty quickly if you have the courses listed out. Okay, let's go back over here. So you're going to get a free mapping, right? I give that to anyways, right? So you're going to get a free mapping though. Now, we also have in the modules, what I have are a collection of a lot of different videos that I've basically have made over time. So coming over here, it's about like right over here, meeting the requirement. meeting the work experience requirement. If you need help with that, right? If you have an employer that's refusing to sign, let me know and I can tell you some certain things to say to help you get through it. Also, some of the guidebooks that I've written over time through Roger's CPA Reviewed, which is now UWorld, can be found over here. I have a sample resume you can go through and download, right? So, and then also over here, interview questions, preparing for interviews, right? So these resources here are meant to help you go through and get ready for the workplace, right? So this is really what we're trying to go through and do, is to help you, right? So sample resumes, scholarship opportunities, those will be to come. Links to CPA review course resources, I'll be posting these up. Getting the most out of your accounting education, right? All these different things. And then obviously, if you're a transfer student or if you're planning on transferring, if you're still in your first 2 years here at IVC, there's also some guidebooks there as well. So this is what's going to be happening. And the exciting thing is right now is that I'm kind of in the process of talking with different accounting firms. And what we're going to do is in the week of September 5th, we're going to have Zoom calls. And on the Zoom calls, this is going to be to introduce students to those accounting firms. Now, if you're planning, if you are a Cal State Fullerton student, it's going to be ideal because you'll be on the Zoom call and then you can go meet the firms themselves at Cal State Fullerton Meet the Firms, which I'm also planning on being there. So you can see everybody at Meet the Firms. But if you're an IVC student and say you want to meet Markham or you want to meet Forbes or Haskell and White, you can come to these meetings, right? And you can talk to the recruiters. They'll be right there. They're going to answer questions for you about the firms. So what we're really trying to do is to be extremely proactive so you can meet the employers in the area. Again, these are all firms that have gone through and hired former IVC students. Again, we are very, very pleased that they're willing to go through and to help our students in this way. So I want to thank you. This is just kind of the beginning for the IVC 30 to CPA program. But I really appreciate your time on this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a great day. And as part of the IVC 30 to CPA program, have a great day.